Hello, my name is Dr. Gunasekar Vuppalapati. I'm a qualified plastic surgeon practicing for the past 17 years. Now at GVG in vivo hospitals located at JP Nagar as well as at Apollo hospitals, Banegata Road. Is the gynecomastia a real problem needing correction? Yes, it is. Especially when the gynecomastia, which is enlargement of breast in men, is caused by either because of testicular tumors or liver problem or some medications that people are on. However, they are fortunately rare. What we often find in our practice is caused by genetic, sometimes obesity, as a result of lifestyle disturbances. Those who develop the gynecomastia or the gynecomastia actually develops in the early teens and often settles by the late teens, but it persists to be a problem in some beyond their teens when they do come to our practice and get it corrected. Well, the correction is, however, to be considered only if it is affecting your body image and confidence. Otherwise, it can be ignored and doesn't really need a correction. However, if the gynecomastia is in association with obesity, we do advise you to lose the extra weight on your own with healthy diet and exercise. If you are looking at knowing if the gynecomastia is real or it is looking like gynecomastia because of obesity, that will be established only when you have lost the extra weight and the rest of the body has shrunk, but your breast remains to stand out no matter how much weight you have lost, means it is a real gynecomastia. And that might affect or it might become pronounced when you lost the rest of the body, because this is not fat, it is the breast tissue, that is mammary gland, which is normally rudimentary tissue which is present in every man, but in gynecomastia it is abnormally enlarged and hence it looks like a breast. And so the treatment wise becomes a significant requirement, especially when we do come across young men with unilateral gynecomastia, that is having breast enlarged only on one side. So just imagine the kind of mental turmoil that they have to put through and what kind of clothes that they can wear which can hide the bulge only on one side. And so these are the people whom and sometimes even those who are slim but having enlarged breast. And so they are so uncomfortable in any clothes that they wear, and hence they try to stay away from the social participation, and they become introverts, or sometimes we do see depression as a result. And so these are the situations where treating or correcting the gynecomastia makes a lot of difference. And in our practice, we have found that these young men who come to us as an introverts and very reserved, shy, and unable to maintain the eye-to-eye contact, and then you see them just few days after making that chest flat and look manly with this nowadays these are keyhole minimal access procedures using ultrasound assisted liposuction, such as vaser liposelection. And so you get kind of results where you cannot make out if it was treated surgically, and hence they are able to take their clothes off even it means going to a pool, and but they do come out manly, and they just get over the depression, or without any medication. They don't need medication to get over the depression. They just need the correction of the breast and breast projection, and then that will correct their body image, and that will restore the confidence. And it is in fact overwhelming in those who had unilateral gynecomastia. When we correct it, their confidence levels are restored instantaneously, and we see on the second post-op day the smiling, and and the coming to you saying that so overwhelmed, and so much grateful they are to us when we give them a normal manly chest.